know who I am.
You know who I am.
Hi, I support mental health because, of course, mental illness is a disease. We seem to be so backward in coming forward in our support for mental health. Even in my lifetime, schizophrenia was seen to be the problem of a cold mother and a distant father. Autism was seen to be the fault of a mother who didn't love her children enough. And so we're moving ahead, but so slowly, in terms of seeing mental illness as a real disease that needs to be fought in the same way that we've fought heart disease and cancer. We've made such great strides forward in fighting breast cancer and fighting heart and stroke, and we need to do the same thing for mental illness. You know who I am. I'm Mary Walsh, and I support mental health. I'd be crazy not to.
I support mental health because it's important for police officers and the people we serve. Too often, members of the RCMP are called on to deal with individuals suffering from mental illness, and too often our officers themselves suffer as a result of stress and trauma experienced on the job or in their personal lives or from other mental illness. We need to encourage and assist our employees and others to get help, and we need to raise awareness. The financial costs of mental illness for my organization are staggering, with more than 1,700 individuals currently receiving RCMP disability benefits as a result of mental health issues. The human costs are even more severe. That's why we're working with healthcare professionals and others to promote wellness, physical and mental. C'est pourquoi nous travaillons à développer une stratégie pour la santé, la sécurité et le bien-être à la GRC. Je suis Bill Elliott, commissaire de la GRC. Vous me connaissez. Êtes-vous avec moi?
I support mental health because I lost a close family member and good fishing buddy due to the effects of mental illness. He battled with mental health issues on his own and in silence till he eventually took his own life as a result of the mental disease. We owe it to ourselves and our community and those affected with mental disorders to break down the stigma and barriers attached to mental disease. Our community and our health system should be able to openly deal with mental health like any other disease in order to provide the best possible help and care for those affected. I'm Cyril Leader, and I have witnessed the tragic effect of a family member fighting mental health in isolation. You know who I am. Are you with me?
This year the Royal is celebrating 100 years of health service to our community. My association goes back 50 years. As board member and the board chair, I helped the Royal change from tuberculosis to children's mental health, physical rehabilitation, and finally to the finest mental health facility in Eastern Ontario. We look to the Royal for treatment of mental illness and for training and research so that we can improve the quality of life and eliminate the kinds of problems that you, me, our friends, and our family might be facing. The Royal successfully treated my mother when she was battling mental illness. I'm Jackie Holzman, former mayor of the City of Ottawa, former chair of the Royal Ottawa Hospital, a daughter. You know who I am. Are you with me?
You know who I am.
You know who I am.
You know who I am. Are you with me?